Call me on the cell if you need anything. Hey,
What else do you need?
Jason. We were kind of working in the living room, and I noticed the storm coming up outside, and we looked out and look at all that wind going, and we're no more than said that, and then the three-season room or the Florida room up front started to lift away, and we just went to the back and got in the bathroom and waited for it to go over. And Diane said my wife said there was a lot of noise, but I just said I didn't notice. I was just watching if there was anything else moving around me, and it looked pretty good. So it was over quickly, but I was surprised how much it did do when I came out. I was just glad none of the neighbors got it any worse than they did.